When did the birds stop singing? I can't remember when they flew away. Morning still comes through my window, but it's just another day. The colors faded one by one, like rain washing a picture clean. The world kept turning without asking, while I disappear somewhere in between. My heart can't understand. Am I still in your plan? When did the birds stop singing? When did this dreamer stop dreaming? When did the whole world lose its light, while I just kept on breathing? And I never saw you leaving. When did the light leave my eyes, and my smile become a disguise? How did hope slip out of sight? Lord, I'm struggling tonight, praying for your precious light. I wear a smile like borrowed clothing, one more mask to make it through. Everybody says just keep going, if only they knew what it costs to move. The mirror doesn't know my face, a tired stranger stares back at me. Where did you come from, and where are you going? The days are long and lonely, despair is always growing. When did the birds stop singing? When did this dreamer stop dreaming? When did the whole world lose its light, while I just kept on breathing? And I never saw it leaving. When did the light leave my eyes, and my smile become a disguise? How did hope slip out of sight? Lord, I'm struggling tonight, praying for your precious light. If you're listening through the silence, can you hear what I can't say? I'm too weak to climb this mountain, too afraid to walk away. If there's one small spark still burning, shield it from the wind tonight. I don't need to see tomorrow, just help me make it through this night. When did the birds stop singing? When did this dreamer stop dreaming? When did the whole world lose its light, while I just kept on breathing? And I never saw it leaving. When did the light leave my eyes, and my smile become a disguise? How did hope slip out of sight? Lord, I'm struggling tonight, praying for your precious light. And maybe one quiet morning, without knowing why or when, I'll hear the birds start singing.